Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're going to scroll down to the section called Storage. Now in storage, by default you will see first your phone storage itself. You can see it right here, and right above we have a drop-down menu. Now when you click on this drop-down menu, you'll find this device, and the second option will always be your SD card. For me, this is named Samsung SD card, but in your case it might be named differently, even if you have a Samsung SD card like I do. Sometimes when you format it, it changes it to some kind of like random garbage name, so whatever it says, the second option, that's going to be always your storage. Now in here, once selected, you can click on the three dots and then select Format. Now before I click on this, I do want to point out my card has basically no data taken. So we have 8.3 megabytes used, which is, there's nothing really there out of 64 gigabytes. So if you store anything that you'd like to maintain on your SD card, maybe first back it up to maybe your computer or something before you format it. Because once you format it, this data will be deleted and it cannot be gained back. If you just, I don't know, wake up that you wanted something from there. So anyway, I'm going to select Format. Format is SD card for portable storage. We're going to select Format. Now it gets you this kind of BS message. So format this SD card. This is the Samsung SD card needs to be formatted for formatted to store photos, videos, music, and blah blah blah. No, it doesn't need to be formatted. It just wants to. It's already capable of doing that. So this message is completely BS. The one that actually matters, the second one, should be the first one in my opinion. But anyway, as the formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So like I mentioned before, make sure that whatever you want to maintain is backed up. From there we can click on Format. This begins the process of formatting it and only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. So click on Done and that's it. The card is formatted, and as you can see now, it's actually labeled as Android, though I think it's still actually figuring out what the hell is happening because we have 0 bytes available. Try to go back in here, and oh, there we go. So you can see again, it's still maintained Android as a name for it, which is not very accurate. Before it was actually named correctly, now it's just some generic Android name. So anyway, it's still formatted, so that's what matters. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.